In this video we'll continue drawing some different types of lines and some circles, but we'll also use the fundamental tools of Autocad, the trim tool and the offset tool, which is this one here, and the extend tool, which is opposite to trim, the extend tool up here. So the first thing we'll do, I've drawn two center lines. You'll see I've changed layer to the center lines. These layers, by the way, they come up because I have made those layers for you and put them on the border, which you can find in the files. So let's go along here now and draw a circle. And the cool thing about this is that we're going to snap this circle onto the intersection. I'm just going to choose intersection here by going shift right mouse click, because my computer is lagging so badly. So there's the intersection. I click and drag now, but I really want this circle to be 55 radius, so I'm just going to type in 55, and you'll notice down in the command prompt box, circle specify radius or diameter. So 55, there it is, it's 55 exactly. I also don't like the way my lines are coming outside at different lengths all around my circle. So I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to snap to that same center, but this time I'm going to, let's say we want those lines to go out 10 millimeters outside there. So I want my circle to be 65. And then now I'm going to use the trim command. So trim up here, you just type trim. You can also get trim from modify. Modify trim, where is it? There it is, same thing. So with trim, it's really easy command to use. What you need to do is, if you've got a computer that's not lagging this much, is you need to choose the outside circle. And by choosing the outside circle, you're telling the computer that's the cutting boundary. Then you hit enter, and then you just come along and you take away all the things that you don't want by clicking on the lines here. If I can move my mouse without this lagging, around there, and we'll come down the bottom and we'll cut this one off. We're going to have to zoom in to get this one up the top here. So I'm going to go Z, enter. I'm going to make a window over this area here so I can zoom in. Then I'm going to come back to trim, pick my cutting boundary. There it is picked. Tell the computer you've finished picking by hitting enter. And then if I can move my mouse carefully in here to trim that off. That's not going to work, but you know what I was going to do because it will normally work. So that's trim. I'm going to delete that outside circle now just by picking it and hitting the delete button. And now I've got what looks like a better looking sort of thing. The next thing we'll do is we'll show you extend. So let's just say we have a line up here. We'll just do a random line. We'll do another line. Now AutoCAD always remembers what you're doing, so if I hit enter, it will think you want to draw another line. I'm going to draw a line down here. Now I'm going to change this to extend. I'm going to pick the line now that I wish to extend to. I tell the computer I'm finished picking, I hit enter. And then I pick on the end of the line that I wish to go there. So if I pick here, it will join up the lines exactly there. It will make a perfect intersection, and it will do that well. The last thing we'll show you in this little video is how to offset. Once again, modify, come down to offset. Now, offset's a very cool command. If you type in 20 millimeters, just you don't have to type in millimeters, we're already set up in millimeters on this border, hit enter. Pick the line that you want to offset. Then if you move down with your mouse, it will move the line down and we'll put it down. If you pick offset, pick a line, hit enter. Hang on, let's do that again. Offset, type in 10 or 10, enter. Pick the line we want to offset. If I move up with my mouse, it will put a line down 10 millimeters up. The line will have exactly the same properties as the line that it was offsetting.